Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here in today's video as I make homemade simple syrup for the first time ever. So I went ahead and turned on my stove top, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab this large saucepan to use for this recipe. So the first step is getting a cup of water. I added the cup of water once I let the pan heat up a little bit. While the water was starting to heat up, I decided to prepare for the second step, which is getting 1 cup of sugar. Now you're going to want to let your water come to a boil before adding the sugar. So I waited for the water to boil, and once I felt like it was getting hot enough, I added the cup of sugar. From there, I began to stir the mixture together, and you're going to want to continue to watch over this and stir until you notice that the sugar has completely dissolved. For this recipe, you'll notice how I let the sugar and water mixture sit for a few moments before deciding to stir again. So yeah, feel free to have your own fun with this mixture, adding your own little design and patterns into the sugar as you wait for it to combine into one. Okay, so once the sugar has completely dissolved and you notice the mixture come to a boil is when you'll know that this recipe is ready. So don't forget one of the most important steps, which is turning off your stove. Now that my homemade simple syrup is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into a cute little mason jar, and I'm just going to store it until I'm ready to use it. So that is it for today's recipe. Thanks so much again for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you decided to use your simple syrup or what recipe I should try next. Take care and see you on the next one.